Very good morning, all, and I'm super excited for our day 3. This is going to be very awesome session. Everyone, let's type in the chat box. Good morning. Let's everyone type in the chat box. Good morning, because we are going to cover a lot of exciting things. So yes, let's cover today's topic. How many of you are feeling in your life that every now and then you feel very stressful? Every now and then you feel stressful. Like आप लेट उठे, you feel stressful. आप ऑफिस में किसी से बात हुई और बॉस ने आपको सपोर्ट नहीं किया, you feel stressful. आपके कलीग के साथ इस वजह से झगड़ा हो गया and you feel stressful. घर पे you could not give more time, that's why you feel stressful. So every now and then business थोड़ा सा डाउन हो गया, you feel stressful. Lot of things in our life we feel a stress every now and then. How many of you are feeling that? Type I in the chat box if you are feeling that. Then if we don't heal this feeling, this kind of event situations, you are going to attract more in your life, because law of attraction, as per law of attraction, जैसे आपकी frequency है, जैसे आपके vibrations है, वैसा आपका attraction होता है. And this was the simple formula which I learned from my coach Mitesh Khatri sir. So now what you need to learn to change this frequency, to change this vibration, so that हम और better situation और चीजों को हम attract कर सके. And how to do that? And that's what we are going to cover. Hi, myself Chetan Padmashali. I'm NLP coach, and we as a Soul Radiance team on a mission to heal 1 lakh people during this entire 21 days challenge. And today we are on day number 3. So let's start with the healing part. So today we are going to cover a healing of a feeling of sorry. Today we are going to cover the feeling of stress. So let's heal that feeling. And the moment you heal this feeling, you are going to see a lot of changes within you. I promise you for that. So let's start now, and let me start with the music. And then we are going, let's put right hand on the heart first. And let's heal this feeling of stress. Let's everyone put right hand on the heart and close the eyes. I'm switching off my video so that you can focus on yourself. And just relax your energy. Relax your mind. And take 1 deep breath. Take 1 more deep breath. And relax your shoulders. Relax your hands. Relax your stomach. Relax your legs. And now, let's repeat it loudly, whatever I'm sharing with you. Don't repeat in the mind. Repeat it loudly. And let's say, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry for feeling this stress every single day in my life, because this stress is not helping me to move ahead. This stress is not allowing me to reach to my potentials. even because of the stress, every now and then, I'm attracting negative situations. So please forgive me for feeling this stress. Please forgive me because of this stress. I feel very sad sometimes. But thank you so much for this feeling. Thank you so much for this stress, because this stress has helped me to think, to work on myself. Because of this stress, I think to work on myself. So thank you so much for this stress, as it is allowing me to be more conscious. And I love you, this stress. I am sorry, stress. Please forgive me, stress. Thank you, stress. I love you, stress. Now just take one deep breath. And release it. Now everyone rub your hands and put that energy on your face. Now everyone, let's take your left hand like this, and with your 4 fingers, we are going to do some EFT also with your 4 fingers. Let's do this and tap over here, and let's repeat with me. I am ready to let go this stress right now. I am ready to let go this stress from my life right now. I am ready to let go this stress from my life right now. One more time. I am ready to let go this stress from my life right now. Last time. I am ready to let go this stress from my life right now. And just relax yourself. Just take one deep breath. And just type one word in the chat box. Just type one word in the chat box. How are you feeling after doing this? How many of you felt that something has released within you? Something has released. Let's everyone type in the chat box. How are you feeling right now after doing this simple 2-3 minutes of practice? And I promise you, if you have done it properly, you are going to feel released. You are going to feel released. If you're feeling that it's not working, I request you to watch that video again and then do it again. Do it 2-3 times. And it is going to make a lot of difference. Let's type everyone in the chat. Let's type what you are feeling. Happy, relaxed, stress, freedom. Very awesome. So we will not end the session without doing the positive practices also. So make sure you take out your diary and pen. Because as a 21 days challenge, we are on the day 3. We are going to do the gratitude practice also. We are going to do the affirmation also. We are going to share with you. But let's start with the gratitude practice. And as a gratitude practice, what you need to do, I want you to take out your note and pen and write down 3 events or moments from your life that makes you calm, that makes you super calm. Like I still remember in my life, I used to feel very calm, where I felt very calm when I was visiting riverfront. यहाँ हमारे यहाँ पे Ahmedabad. I'm from Ahmedabad, and you can also type in the chat box from which city you belong to. Let us know so that we'll be more happy to listen to you also. Happy to know from which city you have logged in and from which city you are watching, or country you are watching. So yes, I'm from Ahmedabad. और अहमदाबाद में जब भी ना मैं जाता हूँ ना, तो वहां पे एक रिवर फ्रंट जगह है जहाँ पे साबरमती की जस्ट नदी के पास बना हुआ है. And it gives me so much calmness for that. So somehow every month I go over there. That gives me so much calmness. Then मुझे अभी भी पता है कि जब भी मैं जब भी मैं मेरी एक और जगह है, वहां पे every 3 months I plan a trip to go outside. Every 3 months. या तो वो कोई रिसोर्ट में होगा या कहीं पे भी होगा. Like I still remember on my anniversary on 14th Feb. Yes, I got married on 14th Feb 2013. So we went to the one of the resorts. It was very amazing resort. So connected to the nature. जब मैं ऐसा nature के साथ connect होता हूँ ना, I feel very calmness within me, and I just remove every stress from my life. So we want to write down 3 events or moments from your life that makes you super calm. Let's write that down. And there are a lot of moments in my life where I feel very calm. And it's not something about when you go outside only. Like sometimes I listen to the music also that makes me calm. So I always make sure to do the practice that make me feel very calm in my life. And type in the chat box, how are you feeling? Type in the chat box, how are you feeling after you have written this 3 events or moments. Just type in the chat box, how are you feeling? Just by writing it. Awesome. But now let's go for the affirmation practice. So today's affirmation is going to be very amazing. And this affirmation is particularly I do every single day of my life. Because जैसे ही आप ये सेशन खत्म होगा ना, ये प्रैक्टिसेस भी खत्म हो जाती है और आप कहीं ना कहीं अपनी लाइफ के अंदर वापस वही लाइफ में आप चले जाओगे. But this affirmation will help you to deal with that all the negative situations, all the negative people which you are going to face today also and from rest of your life if you're going to practice this affirmation. And that's what we want to make you very stronger. मेरे कोच हमेशा कहते हैं चितन, प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है कि आपके सामने प्रॉब्लम है, प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आप ये सोचते हो कि आप उसको फेस नहीं कर सकते. This is the true problem. So what we need to do, what we are doing as a 21 days challenge, we are making you so much strong so that you can become a strong person to face all the situations. And that's why we are specifically giving you this affirmation. And I promise you, I truly promise you, if you practice this affirmation, you will never feel stress in your life. It's a promise from my end. And in 21 days, you are going to be a different person. So let me share that affirmation. And that affirmation is, today, I choose to feel calm in every situation. let's everyone type in the chat box so that I get to know you have got this affirmation loud and clear. Today, I choose to feel calm in every situation. We are not saying कि आपके सामने सिचुएशन, क्योंकि आप काम फील करना शुरू कर दोगे तो आपके सामने सिचुएशन भी ऐसी आएगी कि जहां पे आपको सिर्फ काम ही फील हो. हम ऐसा नहीं कह रहे. हम ऐसा कह रहे हैं कि आपके सामने कोई भी सिचुएशन आएगी, I will choose to feel calm in every situation. Be it be positive situation, be it be negative situation, but you will choose to feel the calm in every situation. And when you do this affirmation every single day in your life, whatever be the situation outside, it will not hamper you within. Whatever be it's outside, it will not hamper you inside. So today I want you to do this. Let's put right hand on the heart and let's do the practice. Today, I choose to feel calm in every situation. Today, I choose to feel calm in every situation. So today, क्या हो अगर आप ऑफिस पहुंच रहे हो और थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए and you feel stress? No, you will choose to feel calm in that situation also. आपने अपने बॉस के साथ बात करी और बॉस ने कुछ एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया और somehow और कुछ बोल दिया, but still you will choose to feel calm in that situation also. आप ड्राइव करके जा रहे हो और कोई ने आके आपको ओवरटेक कर लिया, you will not feel stress. You will choose to feel calm in every situation. घर पे आप पहुंचे और खाना अच्छा नहीं बना था, it was not tasty. Even if you will choose to feel calm in every situation. आप घर पे पहुंचे और आपको काम करना था कुछ और and it did not happen, but still you will choose to feel calm in every situation. And my coach always says to me, Chetan, we choose our emotions. We choose our emotions. And when you choose the emotion, you live a better life. So the last message which I just want to share with you, let's choose what we want to feel rather than let the situation making you feel. Because when you choose, you live. And when situation choose, situation allow you to feel that. So let's not make this happen. Let's choose our emotions. And from today, I truly want you to do the practice. I choose to feel calm in every situation. And when you start doing that, I promise you, farak padta hai. Definitely padta hai. See you tomorrow at the same time. And if you are liking these things, what we are doing, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video to the people who are not choosing this calmness every single day. Share this video to everyone. And we are doing this sessions in every 2 hours in different languages. At 9 a.m. now, excellent person like Kannada, we are going to do in the Kannada. And I promise you that will make you a lot of insights. So let's choose our emotion every single day. And from today, let's start with the